Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to replace the battery of a Festina watch. I will show you how you can do it. First we will open the wristband. You can do it by pushing this piece into that little hole here. So we will push in this little hole over here, and then we can take this part out. So we have removed this part. You can push it in on both sides. And now the wristband is open. And now we will open this case. We have a professional tool with us to open it. So we will put it in this machine. We can adjust these two parts for the diameter of the watch. If you have a small watch, you have to turn it inside, and if you have a bigger watch, you can turn it outside. But I have already adjusted it, so now we can open the watch. Normally the rest we can do it by hand. So the watch is open now. Over here we have a little O-ring that is for the water resistant. This watch is only 100 meter water resistant, so you have to keep that gasket in the right place. So when you have replaced the battery, that it is still water resistant. And now we have to take out the entire white piece of plastic, and then we can reach the battery. So we will start with removing the white plastic, and we will do it first on the side where the buttons are, and then on the other side, and work across each other and lift it up. And when you are feeling that the tools of the watch are coming upside, you can push it with your finger to keep it beneath. So this part already came out. You have to be careful that those two parts, this one and that one, stays in the plastic piece. And then we can remove the battery. The battery, I have already a new one, is a Maxell SR626 SW. I will do the test also with an old battery, so we know that only the battery is bad and the rest of the watch is good. We can see a small piece of metal over here that keeps the battery in place. That we have to lift to the right, to slide to the right, and then we can take the battery out. So we will remove the battery now. We will put one finger on the watch, because otherwise you can break this part, and then we will lift the battery out. we will use the tester to see if the battery is really in bad condition, to see the battery is really empty. So we will boot this part, then we will see what the battery is. SR626 SW. And then we will put the battery over here, like that, and then we will push enter. Replace battery. So the battery is empty, so that's good news. And now we will take a new Maxell battery to let the watch run for about 2 years. So we will open the package, but do not touch the battery with your bare fingers. We will take this part to put the battery in. So that's how you place the battery in again. And now we will place this part of white plastic in again. Be sure that those two pieces of metal are in the correct position, that you don't destroy any other parts. And now we will push on both sides. Check that the gasket is in the right position, so it's still water resistant. The first part you can do by hand. The last part we will do with this tool. Now we will put this part in again. Be sure that's on both sides in the hole, like that. And now we will adjust the watch to the right hour. We can see that the chronometer, that it's not in the right position above. And to correct that, we will pull 2 times over here, and then we will push above every time for 1 second. Every push is 1 second. Now it's in the right position, and now we will push over here. And if we test the chronometer now, we will push the reset button. The chronometer is in the right position, and now we will adjust the date. Today it's the 10th of February. I will pull one time and then turn it above. And now pushing one time again, so we will have pushed it out 2 times, and it's 10:42. Like that. And that's how you replace the battery of this Festina watch and adjust the hour again. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.